Now, instead of a salad, we're going to take beautiful rainbow chard. I have a mountain of it here. You stem it, curl your fingers over like a kitty cat paw, and pull the stems out. We're going to serve this cold. We're gonna make a really cool dressing with soy sauce and a little sugar and lots of sesame and lime. It's delicious, but it's served cold or room temperature, right? So what we're gonna do is take our stemmed chard and we're just gonna blanch these in salted water for 30 seconds. But the stems we're gonna cook a couple of minutes so they get nice and tender. So you wanna stem them, salt the water, and have a cold shock station all set. Big old bowl with ice and some tongs or a spider to take them in and out of their hot tub. Here's our stems. We let those go about 3 minutes in the salted water. Cool them down, chop them up into bite-sized rainbow pieces. This is such a pretty salad. I love this dish. It's 2 pounds, a good 2 pounds of rainbow chard for this, because of course, once you blanch it, it kind of wilts way down. And I just put it on giant kitchen towels, my mop-beans, and get the excess liquid out. At the bottom of my salad bowl, I've got about 3 tablespoons of tamari or soy sauce. I'm gonna grate in a couple of cloves of garlic. Sprinkle of sugar. I use superfine sugar, what my husband uses for cocktails. The juice of a lime. I'm gonna grab a fork. This doesn't feel very juicy. If the citrus feels tight, throw it in your microwave for about 10-15 seconds on high and you'll tend to get more juice out of it. Or jam a fork into it. A twirl or 2 of our sesame oil, a lot of sesame seed, like a 1/4 cup. Whisk that all together. Oh, God, that smells so good. And we're gonna put in all of our greens. Where's my food mover? I need another one. Our greens, our stems, and a whole bunch of scallions cut on a nice heavy bias. I'm telling you, I cannot stop eating this salad. It is so good. This cold chard salad with the sugar and the lime, the sesame seeds make it nice and nutty, and the sesame oil, and the salt from the tamari. And the leftovers, honestly, mix in a can of tuna. It's super delicious the next day. The leftovers are fabulous.